It is definitely time to clean this toilet, y'all. You can't even see inside of there. It is all black. Now, we are on a well, so we have super hard water. We have iron and rust in our water, and so this is how it gets. I'm telling you guys, this is disgusting. Check the back of your toilet to see what it looks like. We're gonna clean all this today. We're gonna also be cleaning inside of this toilet right here. I've got some hard water stains inside of here, and y'all, it's just time. I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way to clean your toilet with some all natural products. They have been doing this for years and years and years, and let me tell you, my grandmother taught me this trick. You're gonna love it. What we're gonna be using is this vinegar. Now, they do make cleaning vinegar, which is a little bit more potent. This is what I have on hand. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this. You can get that cleaning vinegar at the Dollar Tree, and of course it's now $1.25, so yay for that, right? $3, and it's not the dollar plus aisles. So grab it while you can. You can use vinegar for so many things. I'm gonna go ahead and pour about a cup of this vinegar into the back of my tank. And then we're just gonna go ahead and let that sit for about 30 minutes. I'm also gonna be adding it to the bowl as well. I'm also going to be adding a few drops of this Dawn Platinum Power. All right, guys, we'll see you back here shortly. Whoa, holy cow, it's already working its magic, you guys. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give our toilet bowl a good scrub right here to see if we can start removing some of that hard water stains. I'm not sure if the camera is gonna be picking it up, but I can already tell that it is looking so much better. Now, if you don't like the smell of vinegar, go ahead and add a little bit of Fabuloso. It is gonna make it smell really good and kind of mask some of that vinegar. So if you have someone that's sensitive to vinegar. Wow, that is looking so much brighter, you guys. Looking so good. Can you see how much better that's looking? It's been about 30 minutes since I put this in, so now I've got my toilet bowl scrubber. We're just gonna go ahead and start scrubbing it. Now, as you can see, look at the difference right here, y'all. Look at the difference right there. Just by scrubbing it just a little bit. Be careful of all of the stuff that's in there. You don't wanna really disturb it too much, so I'm just going around where I can reach it, because the last thing I wanna do is have to replace that. All right, let's go ahead and give it a good flush. Now, I did it very gently. We might have to do this a few more times. And also, my tank just might be really stained from years of buildup. So this house that we're in is about 25 years old. This is the original toilet in it. So 25 years on a well. I may not get all the stains out, but at least I know that it's clean, even if it is a little stained. Here it is, you guys. You can see a lot of that junk has kind of come to the surface, so it is working. It just might take a little bit longer. Again, this is a 25-year-old toilet. It has been stained forever, but you can definitely tell that this side looks so much better than this side over here, which I couldn't really reach with the brush, but I didn't want to damage this stuff. But it looks better, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if you wash the back of your toilet. If you have, what does yours look like? Is it gross like this? Who would have known that you gotta clean the back of your toilet? Well, if you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another cleaning video, click on the video link right here. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.